Why, oh, why? JPS. Let on, people. Let on.
It ain't even cold outside. Now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I enjoyed filming yesterday. And yeah, so today has started very terribly, as I said, but you know, that's that. We can't do anything about that, so we're just gonna chill and do some organizing and cleaning. Alright guys, so I totally forget to vlog, but what I'm doing right now, I am searching through the decorations for both church and my house. So let me show you. Is actually for church. Over here is my bag of things from my home. So I'm searching for these are the ones that are good so far. I'm going through, and there are quite a few that are broken. Like, why? But anyways, we are getting there. We have some very good ones. So, and like these that don't have a top that is good. Yeah, that's why I want here to fix and all of that. So she can get the tree. I wanted to set it up before the 5th because her birthday's on the 5th, so I have to set it up from like near the 4th, so it needs to go up like soon. Bye. We have quite a few that is good. This is my house one, those are for the church, and these are the lights. Unfortunately we can't check these right now because I gone. So yeah, anyways guys, I already started like my cleaning and all of that, and I'll insert that right here. So today's vlog is going to be us starting cleaning basically. So we normally do 2 big cleaning basically at our house. So we do one in summer and we do one in the Christmas time. So it's Christmas, well, it's almost Christmas time. It is the 18th of November, I think. Don't mind the hair, I'm gonna pull this out today, so yeah, don't mind that. But we are gonna start cleaning right now. I'm in the back room of our house, and we're starting in this room because it's the smallest and it's the easiest. So yeah, so this is the room. It's quite small and all, and it's not untidy or anything. We just need to take down the curtains, wash them, the sheets need to be washed, we need to furniture polish, wash those, and those belong to someone, so we can't really get rid of those. So we just leave that. We just need to neat that up. This bag needs to go back under the bed. We need to, you know, fix up under the bed because we have quite a few suitcases under the bed. So right now what I'm about to do, my sister is going to wash this today. I'm going to take down the curtain for her to wash, and yeah, I even have my dad's ties to fix up, but I'm not going to fix that today. Don't think so. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. It's even brighter in here. So that's done. Also need to take down the one in my father's office, so we're gonna go and get that one too. guys, so we have with us our washer lady.
Please don't wash a lady.
She like wash, that's
I'm a
why we
wife
call her that.
material.
Here.
Under the office. What we are do? We are wipe down.
So
Okay,
guys, this is,
okay. We're going to wipe down and dust down today with soap and water and my favorite disinfectant. And then I'm going to wipe out the room also and sweep out the room and
so
also
are we
the
gonna
office.
like strip the beds and stuff?
Yes, we're going to strip them clean, strip naked.
Guys, so my sister bother me again. So I'm in the next room. This is the middle room. And I have this to take down plus these to take down. So I'm gonna start over here. I think Shan, you want to one penny book press too? Okay, so that too, this and then that. All right, guys, let's do this. We can do this. These drawers have sheets in them, so what I want to go is, plus we have another drawer in the other room with some sheets. I want to go through and see what is not good from what is, and you know, neaten the drawer, get it up to par. Plus I have those ties to sort out, so that's my job for today because I'm my sister's not here, so I don't want to start the big cleaning. I can't clean without my sister. I'm sorry, I just can't. So we're gonna be doing that. I'm currently doing a hot oil treatment on my hair. I'm gonna begin with these drawers and let you guys know the progress I have. I'm gonna start on, I don't even know which one to start on. I'll start on that one over there. I'm gonna do the top ones first and see. Progress. Okay, so I have folded the fitted sheets. Guys, I first made a fold on fitted sheets and it looks so neat. Yeah. Anyways, I don't even find the pillowcase for this. Hopefully, like very soon. If there's any, I'll be able to find it. So anyways, I'm watching a video actually on how to do this, and I'm gonna be folding this and like put this in this, so you know I have everything together. I don't get anything lost. So I'm gonna do that and yeah, I'll tell you guys how that works out. So we started cleaning, that's what you guys saw. So I'm gonna be showing like the progress. I don't even know if there's a progress anyways, because we've been busy and pretty much just trying to organize first. So yeah. Alright guys, this one is finally done. Yeah. Done. Yeah. The other room on the other hand is done, yes, but we have the things that we're gonna use on the bed and stuff. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for getting to this part of the vlog. It has been a rough day because we have been cleaning for the entire day. So right now I am going to end this vlog and I am going to go and shower, edit this video to upload for tomorrow morning, and get some other work done. And yeah, so just want to end this vlog here, and I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Today's motivational quote or motivational saying of the day comes to us from Sassy Shan, and her quote is, "Trust in the Lord and he will make your path straight. Bless you." And I'll put it right here. And today's post notification shout out goes to BT Jamaica TV. Go ahead guys and check out her channel. Guys, it's a lovely channel. They're doing, I think, a competition right now on the channel, so you can go ahead and come and check out those talents. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you want a post notification shout out, go ahead in the comments down below and comment #notification squad or done. If you would like your motivational quote to be read tomorrow, go ahead in the comments and comment a quote and I will go through and pick one. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in day 3 of Vlogmas.